Hello and welcome to the New Haven Museum. My name is Jason Bischoff-Wurstle, curator of the exhibit Factory. Factory tells the post-industrial underground history of the New Haven Clock Company. The colorful history of this building was often hidden in plain view. Having free reign over thousands of square feet of an empty factory, Todd Andresen followed his dream of building an indoor half-pipe on the top floor of the abandoned factory. Todd Andresen was introduced to the old clock factory building, working as a doorman at Kurtz II and later Club International. After losing his apartment downtown, Andresen briefly squatted in the factory before renting a 2,000 square foot space for his band on the third floor of the north side for $200 a month. At the time, damage from the 1988 fire on the floor above, a broken freight elevator, and a general state of deferred maintenance led to Andresen and his roommates being the only full-time residents. The only other occupants utilized the array of band rehearsal spaces spread throughout the north side. Starting with an extension cord pulled all the way up from the basement, and with the help of Goody, all plumbing and electric was eventually kept, quote, above board, but by no means legal. This afforded Andresen a sense of total freedom, combined with a growing paranoia of being discovered and removed by authorities. In the 1990s, New Haven city officials had larger issues to deal with, and Andresen's expansive DIY residence went fairly unnoticed until he built an indoor skateboard park.
I mean, there was professional skateboarders here. Like these guys were like catching air. This was a blast, man. This living here was a blast. It really was.